We're going to be sharing a never before seen or heard software with you guys today that's going to pay you real money in only one push of a button. The software that we're going to be talking about today is a software that's basically going to be doing all of the hard work for you. It's going to send emails for you and basically make money for you so you won't have to do anything yourself. It's completely free, which means that you're not going to have to make any investments or have any show money of the sort. It's 100% free. It's also available worldwide, so no matter where you're from, you can join in and have the same opportunity of earning as everybody else. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. First website that we want you guys to visit is called vfly.com, and this is the website that's going to help us make money today. What this website does is that they sell YouTube views, and before you even ask, no, they don't sell bots or fake views. They sell real people YouTube views, which is a great thing. They get you actual views by the use of Google Ads. Now, that's basically what this website is and what it does. Now, the first thing that you want to do on this website is to scroll all the way down to the most bottom part of the page, look for affiliates under Explore. Click on that, and then that should take you to this page right here. vFly Affiliate Marketing Program. Earn 15% of every campaign that you bring in. vFly provides the finest affiliate programs for YouTubers. So yes, we are going to be working with vFly today through affiliate marketing, which is always a great strategy. And as long as we keep on discovering platforms that cater to affiliate marketing, we're going to continue sharing them with you guys because it's the easiest and simplest way to make money online on complete autopilot. As you can see, how do affiliate marketing programs for YouTubers on vFly work? In joining vFly's affiliate marketing program, every time a YouTuber starts a campaign with vFly through their affiliate link, you will receive 15% of what they pay. And how far can you go? So you're going to earn 15% per eligible sale. Get help at every step. You can grow your performance, increase commission size if the performance grows. We will help you along the way. Now, if you think that 15% is not as big, just think about having hundreds of customers. That changes everything, especially because that's exactly what's expected to happen. So don't speak too soon. It's time to sign up as an affiliate, and to do so, you want to click on this Become an Affiliate button. Then you're going to be brought to this page right here. So you're going to fill up all of the details being asked, like your first name, last name, email, password, or you can easily sign up with just your Google account so that it's much faster. It's up to you though. And now that you're all signed up, you're going to be able to get your affiliate link just like that. So every time someone clicks on your affiliate link and uses your link to purchase, then you're going to get paid for it. Now it's time to find the perfect traffic source. And we know we said that you're not going to have a problem finding an audience who's in dire need of vFly, but we still have to get the message out to them and to the people, the perfect people. And to do that, we're going to be using our chosen traffic source for today that we're going to get into in a sec. Now we want you to go on youtube.com because this is where all of our target people can be found. Then we want you to look up how to get more views on YouTube and hit enter on that. Now that's going to take you to here, and you're going to see a lot of videos that fall under this search, and a lot of them have a lot of views as well. And that's exactly what we're looking for. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video.
Now let's choose a video to open up, and keep in mind that these videos that you're going to be choosing to open must be recent. So something posted 2 to 3 months ago. Just so we know that it's still relevant and it's still a pretty active video. It's going to be hard to look through the videos and try to find videos from 2 to 3 months ago. So just filter it out so that you can filter out how recent the videos you want to be, and do it just like how we're doing it. And then, ta-da, there you have all of the recent videos about this topic. Now you're gonna want to open multiple videos, or as many videos as you possibly can, and focus on the comment sections of those videos. And this is where you're gonna find your potential customers. These people are the ones who want to start a YouTube channel, or who already have a YouTube channel and they just want to grow or expand their channel. So it doesn't get any better than this. You can reach out to these people by their email or by directly responding to their comments. So you can start by simply explaining VFly's feature and what VFly is about, and all of the information that you possibly know about VFly or that you can find about VFly. Really discuss it to them, put it all in one message, just so that they're gonna get the message right away. There won't be too long of an exchange of conversation. Make sure that your message is very comfortable for them to read. No hard words, because we have to make it as simple as possible. And then once you've gotten the message across, which is the whole point of the entire exchange of conversation, you can finally put in your affiliate link at the end of the message, and just like that, you're gonna be making money on complete autopilot. And now we know that it is kind of a long process, but you have to trust us when we say that as soon as you've gathered a couple of people, or as many people as you possibly can, because from there on, you're going to be making money on complete autopilot like it's nothing.
Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue.
Now we're gonna have a little recap before we wrap things up. First, you wanna go to vfly.com, read all about it, remember some very important information because you're gonna need it later on. And then you're gonna wanna sign up and fill up all of the details being asked completely and fully sign up. Once you're signed up, log in, get your affiliate link, copy that affiliate link. Then we want you to go on to youtube.com, and we want to look up how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, anything along the lines of that question or that topic. Doesn't have to be exactly the same as what we typed in. Look up that, filter the results to videos that were posted within this month, 2 to 3 months ago, most recent videos. Open up as many videos as you possibly can, because that is what's very important, and that's something that you must do to be able to earn a lot of money. Once you've opened it all up, look through the comment sections, reply to everyone there who is asking on how to grow their YouTube channel, tell them about VFly, give them your affiliate link, and just like that, you're gonna be earning money in no time. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.